Hello, Sticky. Tough day. I don't suppose you know what time it is. Don't worry. It can be hard to switch off from work now that we don't have to make that journey back from the office. Actually, our colleague Rachel told me about an article in The Atlantic, the magazine. According to Jerry Asim, even before the pandemic, back in 2017, Microsoft carried out research into what would happen if people didn't commute to and from work. They found that people seemed to miss the journey, a kind of buffer between work and home. So, using an app on their phones, home workers were taken through a series of questions at the beginning and end of each day to help them to refocus their thoughts and make the switch that they used to make during their commute. And you know what? People who use the app to switch off reported sending fewer work emails after hours. So, Sticky old friend, you need a switch on, switch off ritual. Oh? What have you come up with? That's clever. I'm impressed. That should do it.